give me your attention if you are a JAMB candidate. Look at this question. It came out in the last JAMB 2025 as question 8. And this question is very simple, but if you see it in your JAMB this year, can you answer it? That's a big question. Now, the question asks, how many isomers does CH4H10 have? This question is from organic chemistry. This is the first thing you must settle. Know the topic from which the question is being asked. So, of course, it's from organic chemistry and it's from isomerism. So, first of all, we know that isomers are those compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. So the right approach to this is that there are two methods. First, using the formula for unsaturation, and the second is writing the variants of the structure of the compound given to you. So I'm going to answer this, and after answering it, I'm going to give you a practice question so that you can try and test your own ability. So first of all, write the straight chain before you write the variants. So here we have CH4, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hydrogens do we have? 10. So we have 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So of course we will have hydrogens attached like this. So this is our first compound, which is what? Butane. So this is the first compound. So how other possible ways can we write this formula? So one other possible way is to cut this carbon and attach it to one of the other carbons. Carbon has ability to bind with itself in the process called catenation to form a longer chains. So the second variant will be C3. Now remember, I'm cutting this fourth one. I'm attaching it directly here. So it will still go with its 1, 2, 3 hydrogens. So I will have 1 hydrogen here, another hydrogen here, another hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen, another hydrogen here, another one here, another one here. Yes, so this is it. So if you look at it, don't be confused. This is one compound, this is another compound. So look at the arrangement carefully. Here we have 4 carbons straight. Here we have 3 carbons, and then we cut this part and put it here on the second carbon. So if I number them, this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4. But in this case, I have carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So this is normal butane, N-butane. But this is what? This is 2-methyl propane. This is 2-methyl propane because it's at carbon number 2 that we have the methyl group attached. If you don't know how to name organic compounds, look for my video on naming organic compounds and you would master it very well. Now think, is there any other possible way we can write this compound? Is there any possible? So now if we decide to pick this and bring it here, it will still be the same thing because this CH3 will still be attached to carbon number 2. Remember, in some cases, you may see this formula written as CH3, CH3. So it can be written in a condensed form. So look at this, that was the last one that we cut and brought here to give us 2-methyl propane. Now, in several locations you may come across. So if we decide to say, oh, let's cut it and put it here at the top, it's still at carbon number 2, so the name still remains the same. So is there any other possible way? Okay, yes, there is another way we can write it, but it is still going to give us something. Okay, assuming I said, okay, let me cut this one too and put it here. What are we going to have? Look at what we would have. I will have CH3. That's for this. I will have, okay, it will be this way, CH3, no, CH, let me remove this. I just want to show you something. So this is for this, then we have CH3, this will be CH2 now, CH3, no, CH2, and then CH3. I hope you got what I did. So now, let me ask you, what's the difference between this and the first one? they are the same, so their names still remain the same, which means that we don't have any other possible way to write this compound. So it means that this compound has only two isomers. So the correct answer is A. This question was one of the last year's questions, and they ask this kind of question every year. That's why I decided to bring it to you. Now let me give you an assignment. Are you ready? So I want you now to do for C5H12. So how many possible isomers will this compound have? I want you to try it in various ways that you can, then write the answer in comment section. If it is 5, write 5. If it is 6, write 6. If it is 7, whichever the number is, please write it. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.